Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Healthy Lifestyle. In today's video we are going to discuss about magnesium, its health benefits, deficiency and side effects. Magnesium is a mineral that plays an integral part to the body and brain function. Magnesium helps to maintain our blood pressure, strengthens our bones and heart rhythm steady. Magnesium is found in many foods such as leafy green, nuts and beans. Magnesium is not only important for our body, it also plays a crucial role for the brain's function. Some health benefits of magnesium include bone health. Like calcium, magnesium also plays an important role for healthy bone function. Adequate amount of magnesium improves our bone health and also reduces the risk of osteoporosis in females after menopause. Magnesium helps to regulate the calcium and vitamin D level in our body. Migraine headache. Magnesium therapy helps to relieve headache. Magnesium deficiency has direct impacts on neurotransmitters and blocks the blood vessel constriction, which are directly linked with migraine. Migraine patients have lower magnesium level in their blood and body tissues. During migraine, your magnesium level may be low in your brain. If you want to control your migraine, you need to take 400 to 500 mg magnesium per day. Premenstrual syndrome. Magnesium plays a vital role in premenstrual syndrome. Magnesium supplements with vitamin B6 helps to improve premenstrual syndrome. Further, magnesium supplements help to reduce bloating, mood symptoms, and breast tenderness in premenstrual syndrome. Cardiovascular health. If you want to maintain your muscle and heart health, you need to include magnesium in your diet. Magnesium deficiency increases the risk of cardiovascular disease. Taking magnesium just after your heart attack have a lower risk of mortality. Magnesium intake also lowers your risk of stroke. Now I will tell you what are the causes of magnesium deficiency. Magnesium deficiency causes many health issues such as high blood pressure, diabetes, osteoporosis, migraine headache. Magnesium deficiency may cause loss of appetite, nausea and vomiting, fatigue and tiredness, shaking, muscle spasm, hyperexcitability, sleepiness, abdominal heart rhythm. Now we will discuss about the food sources of magnesium. Magnesium is available in plant foods such as legumes, dark green vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and fortified cereals. It is also found in fish, poultry, and beef. Almond, peanuts and cashew, peanut butter, kidney beans, soy beans, soy milk, spinach, Swiss chard, white potato, brown rice, oatmeal, banana, dark chocolate, milk and yogurt. If you have a magnesium deficiency, you can take magnesium supplements. Magnesium supplements should be taken with meal. If you will take magnesium supplements on an empty stomach, it may cause diarrhea. Never chew or suck magnesium tablets. Instead, swallow the tablet whole. If you are taking magnesium in the form of powder, pour powder into a glass, add water and stir. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any question or query, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Goodbye.